What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and the Galaxy S23 lineup is finally official. I've already got my pre-orders in. You can do the same. I actually have an exclusive link in the description where you're gonna get the best possible deal on a Galaxy S23 device with extra Samsung credit and enhanced trade-in value. So do make sure that you use that link when you do your pre-order. I just got back from the Unpacked event. I got lots of hands-on time with all the devices. In this video, we're gonna take a look at the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is my hands-on and first impressions. Let's go ahead and get started. This video is sponsored by Spigen. The entire Galaxy S23 lineup is compatible with Samsung's fast wireless charging 2.0 technology, but to take advantage of that, you'd have to spend about $80 on their 15-watt wireless charging stand. For a fraction of the cost, you could pick up Spigen's arc-filled wireless charger, which is the world's first third-party wireless charger certified with design for Samsung. This uses the Samsung official wireless charging module to deliver true 15-watt wireless charging. And with the design for Samsung certification, you can rest assured that this has universal compatibility for Samsung devices. So not only is this compatible with the current Galaxy S23 lineup, but even Galaxy phones that came before, like the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Galaxy S22 lineup. The Spigen arc-filled wireless charger is case-friendly and can charge your phone through cases up to 5mm thick. So even if you have a protective case on your phone, you won't have to remove it to charge your phone. With the included AirBoost technology, this charger can detect and provide the maximum suitable charge for your device. If you're looking for a wireless charger that delivers fast wireless charging 2.0 to your new Samsung device, and you don't want to break the bank, the Spigen arc-filled wireless charger certainly fits the bill. I'll be sure to include a link in the description of where you can pick yours up today. When it comes to the design, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is very familiar with a few key differences. We still have the same squared-off design that differentiates itself from the S23 and S23 Plus, and we also have an embedded S Pen over on the left side of the device. While the design is very similar, you do have a few refinements here, like with the floating camera design. You will notice that the sensors just to the right of the cameras are flush with the body. The curve on the edges of the display have been redesigned to make for a much flatter display. This means you're gonna have improved performance with the S Pen, and this is going to help to get rid of things like accidental touches. This should even help to bring more compatibility for screen protectors, which is definitely a great benefit. The S23 Ultra is more durable than ever, featuring an armor aluminum frame and a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both the front and back of the phone. I also thought it was very interesting that Samsung's using sustainable materials in the S lineup, including recycled glass on the front and back and recycled aluminum volume and side keys. There have been some major upgrades when it comes to the cameras on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Starting out with the main shooter, which is a 200 megapixel sensor that uses nano-binning technology to combine 16 pixels into one much larger pixel. Paired with advanced AI processing, images and videos should look great whether they're shot at nighttime or in well-lit conditions. We've also seen an improvement in the optical image stabilization with 2 times wider optical image stabilization for smoother videos. We still get the 3x and 10x optical zoom and up to 100x space zoom out of the telephoto lens. And the main camera is capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second and 8K video at 30 frames per second. One of the standout features here has to be the Astrophoto in Expert RAW, which uses multi-frame processing and AI segmentation to capture stars and galaxies with no extra equipment necessary. One of the main areas that I was really hoping to see an improvement on from last year's S22 Ultra is the battery life, and it looks like we're finally going to get some improvements to the battery life on the S23 Ultra. We get the same 5,000 milliamp hour battery, but there are lots of optimizations here thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which are going to improve battery life on this phone. We also see some improvements to the display technology and materials being used that are also going to help extend the battery life on this phone. Things like streaming video on your phone won't take as much of a battery hit thanks to optimizations with applications like Netflix, Instagram, and YouTube. And the new processor uses advanced AI machine learning to deliver the resources that your phone needs exactly when it needs them, making your phone even more efficient. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor increases the performance, especially when gaming, and this phone is still a multitasking powerhouse with 8 gigabytes of RAM on the base model and up to 12 gigabytes of RAM on higher storage models. The S23 Ultra features a stunning 6.8-inch QHD Plus AMOLED display featuring advanced vision booster. We still get a bright and vibrant display with saturated and punchy colors that Samsung is known for, but now the display performs better than ever in a bright and sunny conditions. But the new advanced vision booster feature can dynamically adjust the tones of your image, adapting to your surroundings. Other features like IP68 water resistance, Wi-Fi 6E capability, super fast charging 2.0, and fast wireless charging 2.0 really round out all the features of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this is definitely the perfect phone for the power user. The Galaxy S23 Ultra comes in 4 colors, including Phantom Black, Cream, Green, and Lavender. I'm partial to the cream color. The starting price here is $1199.99 for the 256 gigabyte version. Pre-orders start February 1st and this ships February 17th. I'm definitely super excited to get my hands on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and I'll have more content and coverage on this device, so do be sure that you got it locked into this channel. Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button for more videos like this in the future. That wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.